Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Jael. Today, we're going to be making blooming onions. Our ingredients are flour, onion, 2 eggs, milk, and our onion blossom maker. Now we are going to crack my eggs and put it in our milk. Now we're going to whisk our milk and eggs. Now we are going to put our onion in our onion blossom maker. The onion is cut, and now we're going to put it on a plate so that we can open the onion up. Put that to the side, and we're just gonna gently kind of open it up a little bit. Now we're going to put it in the flour, and then we'll do the milk, and then we'll do the flour. And she have a spoon nearby, so you can just throw it in there. Now we're going to put it in the egg, in the milk. Same with the flour. Doesn't matter how much you put in there. Drain it and put it back in the flour. Now we are going to put our onion upside down into our deep fryer. Make sure you spray your basket of the deep fryer if you're using it. Gently pick it up and place it upside down. Now we're going to drop it in the deep fryer. And you're going to wait until the onion is golden brown. Now we're going to take it out and put it on a plate. All right, so I got the core out, and we're going to move it so that we can pour our sauce in the middle, just like that. Okay, who's hungry? Let's taste it. Not bad for my first time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to us the Russell Way and hit the notification bell. And follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Bye!